Hello, I'm Laura. I live in my van that I converted myself, and I travel with Snuffkin and my 2 guinea pigs. So why don't you join me on my adventures? Here on my channel, Destination Unknown.
Because that's what you have to do if you want to make a bloody life for yourself. If you're Ukrainian, you probably have to go abroad, unfortunately. There they go. Off to Wrocław. Virginia. By the way, just in case you're wondering, there's a list here of things you can't take on the bus to Dnipro. Let's go through them one by one.
I just showed you a clip of Snuffkin biting this like Christmas decoration for rabbits and rodents to bite on. I had to put it around the gear stick thing because he keeps biting like the casing of it. He's obsessed with it. So I've kind of hidden the casing. And it's working. He was biting that instead. Huh? Hello, it's December and I've been in England since September? I can't even think. Yeah, that must be. It's finally turned cold though in England, and it's wet and crap. And I can't get any charge on my solar because it's cloudy every day, so I'm trying to go out for a drive. So I'm meeting my mum at the shops and we're gonna go look for some more Christmas presents. But it's so busy everywhere here, it's so annoying. And all the spaces are so tiny and like everything is so tight. Like, I don't even have a big van. I don't know how people cope with long wheelbases and that. Like, I can barely get in the lines. Yeah. I should see my mum in a minute, but I don't know where she is. I was in London at the weekend to go to this Christmas sort of meal thing, and then we went to a Christmas market and yeah, walked around these Christmas bits like at South Bank. That's where Big Ben is and stuff. It was nice. I haven't been to London for a long time now. But I'm going again on Friday. I'm going to go to a Alice in Wonderland exhibition. Looks really nice. Well, I hope it's interesting. Because it's quite a trek to go into the V&A Museum, which is pretty central really. And it's always busy. Especially now, near Christmas. Yeah. Yeah, there's a storm warning again for England, especially the east. So strong winds and rain. And it's like we've had non-stop horrible winds for weeks now. Like it proper shakes the fan, you know? Oh well. It is what it is.